Hello, I'm Ali Low. I'm going to be showing you how to install the Dyslexia plugin for Unity made by Lowtek Games. So we'll just get into it. First, import the package. Bring up this window, just import all. Then that'll make this folder appear. And here you want to go into resources. And then this prefab is where all the magic happens. So drag this into your main scene. This is just the default standard installation. So there's a few options here down the side. You can change which button activates it. You can change whether you can exit it with escape or not. And you can also pause all audio or not pause all audio. I'm going to have it turned on for this test play. And give it a play. So by default it just adds this little button here. So you can also press T to bring it up. As we've seen before, like it pauses the audio. I'll just do a test there. See, that didn't pause it because I unticked it. So I'll get some screen that's actually got some text. So this screen, this is text. So if we press this, it should read when we click.
Select costume. Available 79,330. Select costume.
So in here we've got some options. We can change the volume, we can change the speed, and we can also change the voice that it uses. It uses the voices installed on this machine, so if people have got text readers or whatever, they'll might have a voice that they like using. It should appear in this list and they can select it.
Select costume.
We can make it really fast or we can make it really slow.
Select costume.
If you've got text that's baked into images like these things here, you can create a text object over the top and set the alpha to 0. You don't even need a font, I don't think. It just kind of looks for that, make sure the rect is right. I've got this on the play and the logo, so when I press play now, we open this up.
Play. Bold M down.
That seems like an easy solution for if you've got some baked text like this. You obviously don't want this here all the time for non-dyslexic users, so I would suggest creating an option in your settings page that just enables and disables speech by just instantiating this and destroying this if it's there. And that's basically it. Hope this helps. I hope you find it useful and easy to use.